How to set up eBay holiday return policy. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is enter your business policy dashboard, right? So for that, what we're going to do is get into your eBay, and if you are a seller, you'll be able to see your dashboard on the selling option that you'll be able to see right here. Tap on it, and then in here you'll be able to see your dashboard, right? If you are a seller, you'll be able to select your current active standard return policy assets to enter the line and edit the click it, right? So if in here, what we're going to do is locate the seasonal optional checkout box that or extended timeline dropout selections, such as extending return limits out on January 31, or items bought over November or December. And then from that, you can now check the matching extended policy options and click save in order to update your listing for the holiday shopping window. And that is exactly how you'll be able to set up your eBay holiday return policy. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for the video. See you guys in the next one.